New York City Lab School. I spent time helping there for the past few years with the boys basketball team. I stayed in contact with the coach, Benjamin Newman. He was actually my high school basketball team's head coach, although the high school I attended was New York City Museum School. What happens is they actually merged the teams for sports in order to maintain the level of physical activity for the youth because both schools were relatively small. I had the opportunity to spread any knowledge I've garnered in terms of basketball with the athletes on the team. I usually go to their practices with my old high school friend, Dustin Lau, and we school the student athletes on any viable post moves or overall advice regarding their mental asset and approach to gameplay. The main objective is to encourage the players to stay as physically active and fit as possible, all the while remaining responsible for any areas outside of basketball. Normally, one of my returning high school friends would contribute to the practice by managing the scoreboard time when the team was doing drills. Even small acts like this could contribute to the students' enjoyment of the sport. Every so often, a player might hit a buzzer beater shot that would match the goal set for a particular drill, meaning that they wouldn't have to run or do push-ups. Basketball teams' game dates usually fell around a weekday at 5 p.m. You could record the game using Coach Newman's camera, and later on the players and the coach would analyze the game footage in search of improving and running better offensive and defensive plays. Possibly the most enjoyable part of the volunteer work was the special occasions where there was an odd number of players or the coach just needed extra men for demonstrating any play or scenario. Then me and my returning friends often got time to scrimmage the younger players and pretty much dominated. But luckily, the overall experience is more focused towards helping organize young individuals in physical activity and encouraging a healthy lifestyle. I do think it's important for future generations to engage in active ways and maybe find enjoyment in the competitive nature of sports. I consider myself lucky to have a friend like Coach Newman to assist me in physical endeavors and life in general. I can't promise you that he'll be open to new volunteers that he's never known or coached, but luckily I've tried to find organizations outside of NYC Lab School's athletic department. You can also assist and point children of physical activity through use of New York Cares over at newyorkcares.org. Me and my mother actually signed up, and you have to attend an orientation first, which they promise is less than an hour. My mother and I actually went to one at the Pacific Library in Brooklyn. Their team leader shows up and becomes more of an informer by introducing the organization and answering any questions you may have. The one I went to lasted approximately 30 minutes actually, but New York Cares is basically an organization that links with other institutions for the sole purpose of providing volunteers for whatever task needs to be handled. There you can continue if you wish to help children express themselves through means of physical activities like sports. Or I'm sure you can find your own institution or way to encourage the youth. The biggest goal is simply to get children involved in making healthy decisions early and decrease the risk of diseases and other eating disorders down the line. This can be beneficial for you to become better acquainted with the well-being of others as well as building your own health motivations. Thanks for listening.